Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a curly hair routine. I did a hairstyles video last week and I had a couple of you ask me to do this because you guys liked how frizz-free my hair was. I've been trying out new products for my curly hair, specific for curly hair, so I feel like that has to do a lot with how my hair has been turning out recently. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys on how I get my hair this. Right now it's still a little bit wet from the back, but for the most part it's dry, and this is how it's been drying. It turns out different every single time I do it. I'm excited to show you guys the products I've been using. I'm gonna link everything down below. We're so close to reaching 10,000 subscribers and I'm so excited for you guys to see this video and all the future ones. If you guys learned something from this, I'm gonna link everything down below. If I didn't say that already, let's just get started. So I'm gonna start off by using a mask. Now I use a mask once a week and I'm really distracted because you might hear background music, background noise, but I hope you guys don't mind that. The mask I'm gonna be using today is the Dad Meltdown Extreme Repair Mask. This you leave in the hair about 3 to 5 minutes, but when I want to do something more intense, I love to use this one. This is the Lanza Keratin Healing Oil Mask, and it's an intensive hair mask. I leave this on for, it depends, but I can leave it on overnight or 20 minutes. I like to get a hot towel and wrap it on my head after I put the treatment in. Lastly, I love this Olaplex number 3. I've talked about this plenty of times. This is a bond builder, not a conditioner, so it's supposed to help strengthen the hair. I like to use this once every 2 weeks or so. I'm almost out of this one, so I'm not going to be using that one today, but I am going to be using the Dad one. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to section off my hair and wet it so it's a little damp, and then I'm going to put the mask on. The mask looks like this. It smells really good. I'm going to leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes and I'm going to rinse it out and I will come back. This is how my hair looks like after 3 days. I have not washed it. The only thing I have done is try to restore it by sectioning out my hair, wetting it, and adding product. And it's cute. I'm going to start off by brushing from the bottom up to cause less damage. I know you're not supposed to brush curly hair, but I'm gonna do it for the sake of this because I brush my hair before I shower to detangle it. So starting from the bottom, very gently work my way up. I love this brush so much. I'm gonna link everything down below, of course, but you can see this is all pretty much detangled. And I'll do the same thing on this side. Start from the bottom. I have my handy dandy water bottle, and this is gonna come in handy throughout the whole video. So I'm just gonna spray. I'm gonna take my mask and work my way up. Once your whole head is coated, I like to grab my hair. So I like to put my hair in a little bun while I leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, and then I will be back when I rinse it out. I have the mask in my hair right now, and I'm gonna rinse it out and come back. Whoa. I'm gonna rinse it out. We'll be back to show you guys the rest of the routine. I'm back. I probably look kind of crazy, but I rinsed this out. I wanted to make sure that you guys always use a, never use a towel, but more of a microfiber towel. And if you don't have that, a t-shirt to reduce frizz. That is a really huge tip I have for you guys whenever you are out of the shower. So I have recently been trying out products that are targeted for curly hair. I bought these for myself. I didn't get these sent because I wanted to try them out. So I have the travel and I have been using it and I love these so much. So for shampoo, I'm going to be using the Diva Curl No Poo Original. It's zero lather. It's a conditioning cleanser, so it's not really, it's a shampoo, but it's not really a shampoo. It's a cleanser to get rid of all the dirtiness, but it's not going to really dry out your scalp. It is sulfate, paraben, and silicone free 100%. Now you don't want sulfates or none of that stuff in your shampoos or conditioners because it dries out your hair. It gets rid of the natural sebum that your hair provides, and you want that natural oils in your head. That is why a lot of people recommend you not shower your hair every single day, because you're stripping the hair of its natural oils. And I'm sure you guys have heard that a million times, but it is 100% true. I have reduced a lot of frizz doing that and using these types of shampoos and conditioners. So I'm going to start off with the shampoo or the cleansing conditioner. I put a good amount, I don't know, quarter size amount. I use more of conditioner than the shampoo. I lather it in my arms, well, in my hands, and I just start massaging my scalp. Once you feel like your scalp is completely clean, rinse it out and I will be back. Once your shampoo is completely out of your head, we're gonna do conditioner. I'm gonna be using the one conditioner. It's a daily cream conditioner, and there's no special technique on how to do this. I start from the bottom, go up. I don't like to do my scalp because it weighs my hair down. I also wanted to mention this right here. This is a balancing rinse conditioner. It's by Weedat. So this, when I use it, I go in the shower, I section out my hair, and I will do each individual strand, and then I rinse it out. It's more of like a cleanser. It's a protein formulation. You don't need to use this every day. Too much protein can cause breakage. So I use it, I don't know, twice a month, 3 times a month, if that. And I really like that. It's so soft, and then you can also get some of the product and leave it in your hair after you're done using it as a conditioner. So I'm going to be using this today though, because this is my usual routine. I like to grab a good amount. I don't start off with a lot because I'm scared of going overboard. I do like to leave this in my hair for a little bit just so I can have it really get in there. I'm gonna rinse it out and I will be back. Okay, so I clearly wrapped my towel really bad, so I'm back. Once my hair is out of the towel and it's just been chilling, I like to put a leave-in. This is the Miracle leave-in by It's a 10. Now for the fun part. The products I'm going to be using are these right here. These are also by Diva Curl. They came in the little kit I got. This is a light defining gel and the styling cream. I'm going to be using both, as well as this thing right here. This is the Denman brush. If you haven't heard of it, this helps curly hair so much. I'm also going to have my little spray bottle in case our hair starts to dry out. We can add some water because we do need this to be pretty wet because we don't want the hair to dry all crunchy and stuff. We want it to be as soft as possible. So that is what we're going to do. Start off by sectioning off my hair. And this is a very light section. We already added the detangling conditioner. I feel confident on using my wet brush. If you didn't know, wet brush is meant for wet hair, so you can use it on wet hair. I'm just very careful, and you can see it's gonna start to straighten my hair and comb it down a little bit. What I like to do is to start off with the gel. So I put a little bit because it's not a big section, a little bit. And I massage it all in my hair. So I'm massaging the section and making sure that most of my hair has the product. This is how you use the brush, and this is how I've seen people use the brush. They grab a section, it's a smaller brush, so I'm going to take a section of hair, comb it through the bottom to add volume. This is going to give some lift. I'm going to comb it and then just twist before I get to the bottom. And then I'm going to leave it. I'm going to do the same thing to my other section. And then just twist before I get to the bottom. Now you have something like this, and then I'm going to go into scrunching my hair. What this does is that it basically make sure that every strand is coated with your product, and it separates your curl. I feel like ever since I started using this brush, I have noticed a huge difference on my curl pattern, and I do the exact same thing on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and add the styling cream now that my hair is a little more dry. After you're comfortable with how your hair is sitting, you can go ahead and just let it air dry or diffuse it. I don't do diffusing because I'd rather just air dry, but you can do that to speed up the process. And yeah, I'm excited to show you guys the result, and I will be back when my hair is completely dry so I can show you guys what the final product looks like. So. Hey guys, I'm back. My hair is about, I would say 85% dry. The back is still a little wet, but this is how it turns out, and I love the results. I don't have a lot of hair per se, but for some reason the way I do it gives me a lot of volume. I also love to use this body shake. It's a texturizing finisher. I just spray it on my roots and shake it out just to add more volume. And yeah, that's the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little crazy, but I love the way they look. Look at these curls. I feel like with the less I use heat on my hair, the more defined my hair keeps getting. I'm so excited to keep it growing and get it longer because I think it's gonna look so cute long. I get so tempted to cut it, but try not to do that. It feels so lightweight, so smooth, and I have minimal frizz, and it looks so cute. I feel like it looks really pretty in pictures, and I love my hair. I used to not, so for me to come back and, you know, embrace it, I've been really trying to figure out what works best for my hair, and that is how I managed to try new products, and this is what's working for me so far. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're in a long journey of reaching 10,000 subscribers. At 10,000 I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so I'm so excited to reach that goal. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for supporting me and loving me and being with me in this journey. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.